Hi, I'm Trent, Program Manager at Ascentive, with this week's review of Ascentive Trademap portfolio activity and investment results. This was a moderately down week for Ascentive Trademap investors with a total loss for the week of $1,683. Let's take a quick look at what happened. We started the week with 9 open positions running an investment return of 56%. Out of the 9 positions we had open, only 2 were in negative territory, totaling $1,640 on the downside. So we started the week with a total portfolio unrealized profit of $22,618. As the week started out slowly, we were relatively flat overall until prices took a steep, unfavorable turn against us on Thursday. Friday's recovery was strong, but not enough to completely offset the prior day's losses. Compared to some of the earlier weeks where we've seen monster gains, this week's loss is relatively inconsequential. It portends to be a week that could set us up for very strong returns next week. Fortunately, even minor losses like this week's don't happen often, but when they do, we must endure the volatility and trust the process for a better outcome soon. So we'd ended the week with 7 open positions, with all of them but 1 being winning trades so far. We're also running an investment return of 90%. That's a very atypically high return even for Ascentive Trademap investors. But unfortunately, these atypically high returns mostly just reflect how our previously held negative positions were swept away by the losing trades we saw this past week. As much as we'd all like these super high returns to continue, they will subside, and almost immediately as we begin a new week. That's our review of the past week. Although Ascentive Trademap investing is based exclusively on technical analysis, here are some fundamental items of note happening next week. Next week will be a shortened one as U.S. markets close for Labor Day on Monday. Several companies will report earnings this week. Investors can also expect the latest PMI survey readings on Tuesday, followed by the release of the Fed's Beige Book on Wednesday. On Thursday, European Central Bank policymakers will conduct their monetary policy meeting, with officials widely expected to raise interest rates. But again, those are subjective fundamentals. Instead, keep looking for the Ascentive buy and sell alerts in your inbox each trading day. They are the purely objective indicators we follow. Have a great week, and thanks for being an Ascentive Trademap investor.